Cliff House is more than a dwelling. It is an architectural experience suspended between earth and sea, a refuge carved into the cliff where nature, light, and modern living coexist in perfect balance. Anchored directly into the rocky landscape, the house establishes a deep and respectful dialogue with its surroundings. Here, architecture does not dominate nature. It adapts to it, embraces it, and becomes part of it. The sound of waves, the changing light of the sky, and the rhythm of the seasons constantly redefine the atmosphere of the home. The residence is organized on 2 levels. The upper floor connects directly with the land at the top of the cliff, while its elongated parallelepiped form boldly projects toward the open sea. Below, a second volume is suspended over the water, seemingly detached from gravity, hovering between the cliff and the horizon. The overall form is long, pure and horizontal, a solid volume extending outward, embedded in rock yet reaching toward infinity. From the landward side, the house appears introverted and protected. A single entrance door is set into a facade defined by vertical wooden slats, a warm and tactile surface that recalls the construction of ships and maritime architecture. Above the entrance, a sculpted overhang creates a unique sense of dynamism, emphasizing direction and movement, while also providing shelter from rain, snow, and wind. Facing the sea, the architecture opens dramatically. A monumental double-height window spans both volumes, becoming the emotional core of the house. Rather than simply opening to the view, this large glass surface frames the ocean, elevating it into a living artwork. Light, clouds, waves, and storms continuously transform the scene, turning the sea into the true protagonist of the interior space. The entire structure is built in white concrete, a material that reflects sunlight and helps keep the interiors naturally cool during the summer months. At the same time, thick and well-insulated walls protect the house from winter cold and nighttime temperatures, ensuring comfort throughout the year. The white surface enhances the sculptural quality of the building and reinforces its timeless, almost monolithic presence within the cliff. The lower volume, long and slender, recalls the hull of a ship, with inclined extremities reminiscent of bow and stern. It feels as though a vessel has been carried ashore by the sea and gently embedded into the rock. At night, the sea-facing window transforms the cliff house into a glowing landmark. Warm interior light spills outward, turning the building into an ultra-modern lighthouse, quietly signaling the cliff to passing ships and illuminating the darkness with calm strength. Along the side facade, a continuous ribbon window runs the full length of the building before inclining downward toward the lower level. This dynamic gesture brings natural light deep into the interior spaces, illuminating the upper floor first, and then guiding daylight into the suspended volume below. Its changing angle adds movement and tension to the architecture, mirroring the restless nature of the sea. Above, skylights are integrated into the roof, piercing the white concrete surface. They allow light to enter from above, creating soft vertical shafts of illumination that evolve throughout the day and across the seasons. In winter, snow gently settles above them. During rainstorms, water traces ever-changing patterns. At night, they frame fragments of sky and stars. Entering from the rear at land level, one steps into a long corridor flooded with natural light from the ribbon window. This passage becomes a calm transition space, guiding movement through the night zone of the house, while maintaining a constant visual relationship with the landscape. At a junction, the interior opens toward the heart of the home. Continuing forward leads into the living area, a space designed for warmth, comfort, and shared moments. A welcoming kitchen occupies one side, entirely finished in wood, enhancing the sense of intimacy and material continuity. On one wall, blue tiles subtly recall naval aesthetics and the deep tones of the sea, reinforcing the maritime identity of the house. The dining table naturally sits between the kitchen and the living area, becoming a central point for everyday life. The living room unfolds toward the sea with sofas and a coffee table positioned to fully enjoy the view. The space feels like a balcony suspended above the water, open, yet protected. It stops just before the glass, intensifying depth and anticipation, while the large window perfectly frames the horizon, exalting the vastness of the ocean beyond. Throughout the interior, wooden floors extend across the living room and all bedrooms, recalling the decks of ships and creating a cohesive material language that connects every space in the house. From the corridor, a staircase leads down to the lower level beneath the living room. Here, a hidden indoor pool reveals itself, an intimate and magical space suspended directly over the sea. Glass walls surround the pool on all sides, allowing swimmers to float between sky and water at any hour of the day. The ceiling above the pool is clad in wooden planks, recalling the deck of a ship. This detail enhances the immersive maritime atmosphere, as if swimming beneath the wooden bridge of a vessel resting on the waves. Behind the pool, a raw rock wall emerges naturally from the cliff, reinforcing the sensation that the house has been carved directly into the earth. The contrast between glass, water, wood, and stone creates a powerful and unforgettable environment. Returning to the entrance level, the night zone unfolds with elegance and calm. The master bedroom is spacious and filled with natural light from above thanks to the skylights. Soft colors, refined furniture, and the warmth of would create a welcoming retreat, ideal for rest and contemplation. The children's bedrooms follow, bright and comfortable, each opening toward the sea. They offer inspiring views of the horizon and maintain the same balance between simplicity, comfort, and connection with nature. An elegant bathroom serves both the day and night zones. Illuminated from above by a skylight, it becomes a serene and intimate space where natural light enhances textures and materials throughout the day. Cliff House is designed to adapt to every season. In summer, it remains fresh, bright, and open to sea breezes. In winter, snow and rain transform it into a striking white sculpture embedded in the cliff. During storms, waves crash below and rain beats against the glass, while the house remains a place of protection, warmth, and quiet strength. At night, interior light once again emphasizes the magic, beauty, and modernity of the architecture. The Cliff House stands firm between land and sea, a contemporary sanctuary where architecture becomes a bridge between nature, comfort, and timeless design. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more architectural projects and 3D visualizations. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.